Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and it's a new month and it's time to do a new menu. This is November's menu plan and my shopping list. So if you want to see what I'm doing, stay tuned. It's coming up next. November, there isn't all that much going on other than on the 6th day of surgery, there is no cooking that day. And Thanksgiving, that's a whole separate menu in its own. I already have it printed out, and I'm making a couple of different things this year. I haven't made sausage stuffing in a long time. This is probably one of the best stuffings I've ever had, and I don't know why I haven't made it. So I'm going to make it this time, and I will be sharing that with you. This is one of my favorites, the green beans in a white sauce. And I'm just having apple pie and pumpkin pie, and I don't even know if I'm going to be making them as much as buying them. It's all going to depend on how I'm feeling. Not quite sure how many people are going to be here for Thanksgiving, so that's another reason why I'm saving the Thanksgiving shopping for a separate day. But this day we're going to have sandwiches. I am not cooking. And the Thanksgiving menu. And on Sundays I've decided to stick with the pasta because I know the baby will eat it and he won't get fussy. And the nice thing about having pasta on a Sunday is that I not only have leftovers for my husband's lunches, but I can have meatballs with this and have meatball sandwiches. So I'm going to finish this up, and we'll be back when it's done. Okay, I've pretty much decided that Mondays are going to be hoagies, Tuesdays are going to be soups, Thursdays leftovers, because after all this I know I'm going to have tons of it, and this is going to be an easy day because I'm gearing up for the weekend with the baby. So I'm going to have chili. You can tell winter's coming. I'm making pork chops, mashed potatoes, green beans, probably green beans in a white sauce, microwave chicken, bacon cheeseburgers with french fries. This is one of my family's favorites. I'm going to make a whole chicken in a pressure cooker. And I don't know if I've shown you how I do that or not. Let me know in the comments below. And if I haven't, then I'll show you. And it's really easy. And bacon cheeseburgers. I'm going to swap out between the easy meals like the chili, macaroni and cheese with hot dogs, pierogies. This is all kind of stuff that I know that if there's leftovers, the baby will eat too. And I got to have that in the fridge for him. And I really want to make a stir fry this month. I got shells, spaghetti, rigatoni, and I'm going to have the mini shells. I might have that both of those days. Grilled cheese, meatball hoagies, steak-'em hoagies. I actually love these, and I know they are not good for my diet, but I love them. And bacon cheese and egg hoagies. One of my husband's favorites, and he makes them better than I ever could. Split pea soup, ground meat soup, vegetable soup, chicken noodle soup. And like I said, I'm having surgery on this day, so they're going to fend for themselves and make sandwiches. And since this is my son's band practice night, there'll be pizza, soup and sandwiches, probably leftovers, and another pizza. And this whole month on Thursdays there's going to be leftovers except for the Thanksgiving dinner. So that's going to be in my November menu. Now for the shopping list. We just got a whole shipment of the ground beef, so I don't need any beef at all. The chicken, I need a chicken breast, and I need 2 of the whole chickens for the pressure cooker chicken and the vegetable, or the chicken noodle soup. The beef, I am going to get chunks for the vegetable soup. Bacon we always need. And pork chops. I got sausage already because for Thanksgiving, like I said, I'm making the sausage dressing. Hot dogs, I have plenty. Always have soups on there for the baby. And I need pizza sauce. And we just got a case of the spaghetti sauce that was on sale. I'm going to need the gravy, tuna for my husband's lunches, and I have to put in here sweet potatoes, because I know everybody's going to have them on sale this month. The frozen stuff I don't need that much of. I do need the stir-fry veggies, which is the stir-fried deluxe and the stir-fried broccoli. You can only find those at Walmart. I think I'm still good with the meatballs. I need dairy. I'm going to get milk, chocolate milk, and eggs, and the usual stuff. I do need American cheese and mozzarella. And a couple of the pizza doughs. And as always, bread and buns. Always the hair dye, every month. And I don't know if the baby needs anything right now. He may need a thing of diapers, but if he does, we'll get that later when we get the Thanksgiving shopping done. Should get 2 potatoes since we're going to be making lots of that. And sweet potatoes, I think I might make baked sweet potatoes, as well as the candy yams. I'm running low on the tall kitchen bags. I know I need cleanser, glass cleaner, always need spick and span, love that stuff. I am low on all the laundry detergents. And I need a couple pastas, a couple noodles, and macaroni and cheese, olive oil and salad dressing. You always get peanut butter and jelly. And pretty much set for everything else. Cat food, treats, and litter. Okay, let me think about this, but I think I'm pretty well set for just about everything else. Okay, yeah, I really don't need all that much, surprisingly. I want to get beef chunks for the soups and chicken breasts for the microwave chicken, whole chicken. I need a 2-pack. Walmart carries that at a great price. And bacon, we always go through a large thing of bacon every month, sometimes 2, depending on what I'm cooking. Pork chops. We don't need any fish. The soups, I need the chicken and stars and the vegetarian vegetable, and that's for the baby. I just want to add the sweet potatoes in there because I know they're going on sale. I did have to add pierogies here. We have steakums in the freezer. But this is all regular goodies that I have to buy. Not quite sure what else I need. Okay, the only other thing that I can think that I need is something I don't, of course, get on a regular basis. I want to get a few of the things I have in mind for the baby's Christmas gifts. And I figure if I get a few of them this month and a few next month, it's not going to overwhelm me. But then again, I've already made him several things that are kind of special. I want to get a couple of packages of Christmas cards. I think I'm running a little low on those, and I want to get those out this month. And I think I need some new Christmas ribbons. Pretty much set for all of the wrapping paper because I always get them on clearance. But the Christmas ribbons for the packaging, I'm running a little low on. I know I have plenty of tags and all the other good stuff. And right after Thanksgiving is when we'll put the tree up and decorate the house for Christmas. So I'm trying to think ahead, but not too concentrated on Christmas right now. I like doing 1 month, one holiday at a time. So that's about everything I need. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.